Hello guys, I have an unboxing for Journals for Life. It is my Traveler's Notebook subscription kit. And April 2022's kit is called Botany. And I haven't opened it up yet, and I want to do that with you because that is so fun. I've got my handy dandy little tray that I use, from the dollar store. Very fancy. So I will go ahead and put goodies in there as we go along. So the kits come in a nice little pouch so you can take it with you on the go and keep things organized. I'm going to create a bunch of layouts in a row so I'll have it on my desk so I can work on it as I get inspired. So let's see. Let's start with, ooh, this is pretty, guys. Let's start with hand lotion because I can't stand dry hands and it starts to freak me out. So the cover of this is beautiful, guys. We've got this really nice like watercolor grid kind of thing. It's a purpley gray. It's a neutral, but there's definitely like the purple tone going on with, it looks like hand-drawn leaves and all of that. And yeah, leafy beds. It's botanical, so one would assume. Ooh, the cover page is pretty with this nice shape with leafy beds. I love that we get lots of graph paper in our books because it's so useful, easy to put stuff on. I mean, you can line things up easily, All right, so that's pretty. A bit of a mosaic design. Another graph. Nice mid-tone yellow with hearts. These are the days I want to remember. That would be fun. Ooh, look at these plummy shades. Very nice. And this is white, but I can see the grid from the next paper and I kind of dig it. It looks like super subtle. And here's another white. Oh, Froggy is down here. Oh, I have a close-up of a Froggy picture. That would be kind of cool with. Leafy bits coming up this way. Nice teal with more leafy bits. Ooh, a gorgeous orchid. Look at this one, guys. So we've got a nice like gray background with all kinds of overlaid flowers, and they almost look like they're torn flowers. That's cool. I think that is gorgeous. Together right here, got another nice graph. Ooh, a limey green. So this is over text, so it's a nice little overlay kind of design. Looks like a art journal. Like crayon purple wood grain. Very cool. And then the backside. So that is our book. Now what I usually do is when I'm working on it, I've got my absconded with little mouse purses here from my daughter's desk. So I will have those handy dandy for when I want to start working. And it also helps until I start getting things chunky. Like I can go like this and it holds things down. After a while it gets nice and heavy and it, does its thing. Okay, what else do we have? So for the extra papers that come with it, for people who like to layer, and by people I mean me, I've got this nice deep plummy shade. Ooh, like a tone on tone, and these are two different finishes. This has a little bit more of a satin sheen and this is flat. So really nice blue, like almost looks like linen, green in that same kind of pattern, and then a really vivid orange in that same pattern. So that's fun. I will have those on standby. What's next? How about the sticker sheet? Ooh, are these clear? Hold on. I want to see what the stickers, nope, they're white. They've got this satiny finish. Again, that's why I thought they were clear, but they're not. Love the little butterflies, cute little froggy, nice little succulent, so super easy. Can pop that in my little kit. Now our stamp is, oh, it's pretty. This Beautiful Life, flying bird, butterflies in a few sizes, so easy to use. Oh, and this one's a little bit more intricate. And we've got little flowers, and then we can have sunny, rainy, spring, pretty, amazing day, bloom, love, and plant. So super usable stamp. What I'm gonna, oh, they come in these great little envelopes. They're so great for storage. But this month, while I'm working on it, every second, I'll just go ahead and put it in my little bin and put this back in my envelope for safekeeping for now. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but I have to keep myself in check. Okay, then we've got a handy dandy fun little envelope, our little goodie bag. Oh my word, guys, look at them. They must go on my cover. Look at them. They're little, like semi-translucent little frogs, and I just can't with a little leafy shape. I got to come up with something for my cover. All right, where's my, here we go. They get to go into this little white, this was for like ketchup and stuff. I got it at a barbecue. So I put that right there. Put the little bag away. I may end up using this. I may end up not, so I better have it in my kit. We always get a washi, and it's like massive roll. So let's take a look and see what, oh, yeah, I know. This is the kind of thing people do, like where they have things unboxed before they do an unboxing. But I'm unboxing. Okay, so we've got butterflies with butterflies with butterflies. Let's see. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous artwork. So let's take a look at our die cuts because they're always amazing and different. And every month looks different than the month before. So they definitely know how to keep it interesting. Let's see. Ooh, there's these cool tags in here. I love tags. Okay, let's see. We'll go one by one. See what we've got. All right, so cool tag, as we talked about. Look at the floral on it. It's very well thought out. And then this one has, oh, that's cool. It looks like all kinds of labels on it. And we've got a journaling spot with a butterfly. That's gorgeous. This moment, big old leafy bit. Hello, spring. Look at that. It looks kind of like an embroidery sampler. See, life is better in the garden. Cute little camera. Couple of hearts. Let's get outside. I really feel like bringing in my Heidi Swap stapler. I'm going to have it with my stuff. I don't know why. Seems like a Heidi Swap stapler month. I'm going to put that into my little bin. And I have a couple of half doilies that I'll probably bring in. Okay. We have this little piece that looks like a little clip. Our beautiful life. Heart this. Bringing in that great orange. Double hearts. Time together. Let's play. I don't know why, but I feel like doing black and whites this month. Today, look at that. It's like some kind of book print, and there's like a little bird in a nest with the word today. That is so cute. Another little clippy. Another little heart. So super usable. This is our homestead. Oh, cute little boots, little hunter boots. Cute little galvanized watering can. An orchid ticket. Ooh, a dragonfly. Very cool. I had a picture of a dragonfly at one point too. Hello, sunshine. Another one of those adorable little cameras. Orchid little journaling spot. The most memorable days end with the dirtiest clothes. Oh, look at the cute little potted plant. I just got a cute little rosemary plant with a grow light in my kitchen. I'm going to see if I can make it grow. A little journaling spot. We were here. Oh, happy day. Cute little froggy. Nice butterfly. A bigger camera. Another leafy bit. What's this? Spring. I mean, look at how cute that is. Ooh, that's cute. Rain, rain, go away. And that great orange. Nice big journaling spot. We did this today. Look at this cute little tag. Another tag and another journaling spot. And it looks like 3 little magpies. So that is our handy dandy kit. I need to print some photos that appear to be full of botany type things or that look good with this kit. and I'm going to get creating, and I will see you guys back on the first Sunday of the month. Okay, bye for now, friends.